There's a lot to like about the new Lincoln MKC small sport utility. It's good looking, it has premium content, and a pretty nice driving experience. You can get either a 2.0 or 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine. They let me try out the 2.3 liter, and it was just fine. Technology, for the most part, was pretty good. I like the lane keeping system that gently nudges you back into your lane, but you can drive through it if you need to. The drowsy driver alert, however, was useless with a lot of false positives. And here's some good news. The hard-to-use sliders are gone on the audio system, replaced by good old-fashioned knobs. The interior of the Lincoln MKC is very nice, very upscale. This is not just a very nice version of the Explorer, it truly is a small luxury vehicle. There are some very nice accents inside. It makes the MKC very upscale, very warm and inviting. You've got a lot of room in the front seat and for storage in the back, too. Now, the rear seat's a little tight, but for somebody who wants luxury and utility and doesn't need it in the largest package, the Lincoln MKC won't disappoint. Lincoln's MKC is a very nice blend of technology, comfort, and style. It is a true luxury SUV. Let's give it 4 out of 5 stars. I'm AutoBeat reporter Jeff Gilbert.